WDP-217 aerosol and WDP-218 paint are water-detecting color change developers. The presence of water is indicated when the white powder coating applied to the surface of a suspected leak area turns a blue-green. To apply, first shake can well. Direct the fan spray actuator button at the desired point of application and depress. Best results are achieved by slowly applying with an overlapping side-to-side sweeping motion. Here we can see the development of a very small hole over a 1-minute time lapse. We can also see what the developer would look like when a water splash occurs.